There's poor little sick Max, and I'm a little sick too. That's why we haven't made any videos. We've been sick around here. But we're excited to make a new video because Max just got something in the mail. Let's bring it in here, buddy, so the kids can see.
I want you to see it.
Why?
Because I don't want to embarrass you.
You don't want to embarrass Papa?
Yeah.
You won't embarrass me.
It's still okay.
What is it?
Pillow.
You got a pillow? Oh, what are they? Max! How many did you get? What? What kind of mashems? Show the kids.
There. This.
Nightmare Before Christmas mashems, your favorite? Oh my heck, look you guys. I think we got the last set, or the last, there's 12 of them. So that's like a case. I think we got the last ones you can get from Walmart. Do you know how to do it? There, this one's good.
I hope I get some.
Well, you've got a whole case, so hopefully you'll get every single one. Oh, sweet daddy.
It's Oogie Boogie.
No way! Your first one is Oogie.
That's a cake.
I was filming your cute dad while you were opening the first one. Max! You got Oogie Boogie. What level is he on the squish meter?
10.
10 for sure, huh?
We'll have to put him back and then we'll have to put him back.
Oh yeah, let's display them.
Want to display them correctly?
Nice work, buddy.
So let's open the
Look
next
at Oogie.
one.
Oh my heck.
Let's see if this one come out of the bag. That is good.
Which one's
Okay,
going to
buddy.
be a mystery?
I think it's gonna be Finkelstein.
Dr. Finkelstein?
It doesn't have the naughty kids on there.
Nope, no naughty kids, huh?
Nope.
I'll
Let's put
help
him
you.
back in.
You gotta display it, huh?
It's kind of
I can start it.
Another Oogie Boogie. Awesome.
You got a double.
Let's
2 Oogie
open
Boogies.
this helmet. So let's put this here on.
That's your favorite guy, huh?
Good, you
Oh,
got
look.
Open
two.
this now. Let's open it.
Here, this one
Okay.
started.
Oh.
I'll start them for you because they're kind of hard, huh?
I guess it.
I hope it's Jack. I hope it's Jack.
Me too.
I got Jack phone.
It is
You got Jack.
I got Jack and you didn't.
Oh my gosh,
Oh.
Papa's magic.
I told you.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, look how cute he is.
How squishy is that one?
It's 10 on this Christmas will. It's
Oh, he is so
it's
squishy.
putting right here.
Look how
And we
cute.
got doubles.
Max.
We gotta open it. So I like
cute.
yours. I'm gonna open yours. So it's
That one's cool. I like Jack.
Another Oogie
double.
we
Boogie.
gotta open these a little bit. Well, I know.
That is your favorite. That's the one you wanted the most, huh?
Oh no.
Look at all those Oogie Boogies.
Yeah, if you
Kind
just
of.
want me to start it?
Yeah.
I'll start
We'll have
it.
to give Papa all these mashems to start.
You gotta open them all, huh? Might as well.
Might as well we'll open them.
Here.
Oh.
Poor little sick Max and sick Mama.
Go fast.
What? Another Oogie Boogie.
Can you get Jack? Let's see if you can get some.
I want you to open
You got 4 Oogie Boogies. Wow, he must be the most common.
Who is it? 0.
You got 0.
Well, it has white this like that.
Did you think you had 2 jacks for a minute?
It's
Yeah.
not a double.
I think.
You got 0, buddy. That's the one you wanted, huh?
Squish, yeah. I think I didn't know a squish. Nope.
No squish.
He almost has a no squish.
Is he pretty squishy? Not as squishy as Oogie Boogie, huh?
But I put that one on
You
the
better
phone.
display that one correctly too.
So let's just put zero on there.
Oh, he's so cute.
Not getting doubles.
Nope, just quadruples.
These are for displays.
What could it be? Did you get 2 jacks?
Oh, down it.
Who do you want next?
I want Finkelstein.
Dr. Finkelstein.
Yeah.
Is he even one of them? Let's see.
It's the mystery one.
Oh, is he? Oh, there's the
Maximus
mayor
from
and
watching
Sally.
The videos.
Oh, yeah.
I got 2 open.
The mayor and Sally are.
What? They're not here.
Yeah, Papa's putting them together for little holders. So we need the mayor, Dr. Finkelstein, and Sally.
I hope you get the mayor.
Me too. Look at all those Oogies
I have mine too.
and 2 jacks. What the heck?
Oh, you're getting so many.
Hey, have to get you to open those.
Look at all those Oogies. That's the one you wanted the most out of all of them.
Oopsie dilly.
Oopsie dooley. What is it? Which one?
Drop.
Another jack. 3 jacks.
Nope, I wanted these.
3 jacks. 5 Oogie
You're
Boogies.
probably scooped the whole
It's over
set.
here. Ah! Hook.
I sure hope you get another one before we're out of the set.
At least get one different kind.
Oh, no way. Not another Oogie Boogie.
You got
Are you
ripped off.
serious?
Ooh,
He's getting mad.
Yeah.
Another Oogie. You got 2 more, buddy. Let's see.
inside it.
Oh, don't worry. I can probably get you one on eBay if we need to.
We're not getting the. Oh, you open this one.
Come on, Sally. At least Sally. Or Mayor. Oh my heck, not another freaking Jack. This poor kid.
Yeah. Sorry.
We got last these in the back.
Well, you got 3 cool ones. Let's see what else.
Oh!
Oh, you got another. It was a 0, not another Jack. You got 2 zeros.
Okay, I hope this one's a different character because you don't need any more zeros.
Maybe it's gonna be a double.
Obviously it will be because that's the odds right now.
Yeah, at least a Sally. Or Mayor.
That's your last chance right there. Sally.
Did you get Sally? Yes.
No mayor. The mayor's the cool one too.
Well, Sally's pretty awesome. You got a Sally. Well, you got all your favorites.
At least you got 4.
Because you would be so sad if you just got Dr. Finkelstein and the mayor and not Sally, Jack, or 0 or Oogie.
Sally's pretty cool.
You sure wanted a Oogie and you got a ton of them. Look at Sally.
Oh, she doesn't. She's strong. Oh my, she's strong.
Oh, is she really squishy too?
She's so big. She's so heavy.
She is a heavy girl, huh?
That's.
She's pretty
I
cute.
want to go to sleep.
You don't want to go to sleep? You're so
I
excited?
sleep with these.
He doesn't want to go to sleep because he's so excited.
I'm gonna come with my big ass.
Look at all those guys. You have so many Oogie Boogies, dude.
Soup.
So many.
Let's see.
You got 2 zeros.
Let's squish these things together.
Which one's the squishiest?
I think 0 is. I gotta hold them in my hands. Just squish them. Ew.
Gross.
Let's put them together.
You sticking them all together in a big mush pot?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at all those squishy guys. Whoa.
Sorry. Yep. You.
He's look at him.
Boo, 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 boo.
He's so
Oh,
excited.
there's Sorry's in there.